Water is the most important natural resource in the world. Without it, we humans wouldn't exist. Not only can we not go more than a few days without water, but life on Earth most likely would never have evolved at all. And then there are all the more trivial uses: cooking, bathing, washing clothes, brushing teeth, flushing toilets, and watering plants. Humans use a lot of water. Water is a compound containing molecules, each of which is made up of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen bonded together. Across a large proportion of the Earth, it's in liquid form, which is convenient because humans need to drink it. Though at the poles it is a solid called ice, it can also evaporate to form water vapor. Water vapor then rises to create clouds, which eventually cause rain. On Earth, water literally falls from the skies. This little fact is something we're so used to that it may seem trivial, but it's a pretty big deal. Water is vital to human biology, and indeed all biology on Earth. We currently believe that the presence of liquid water is an important requirement for the development of life, to the point that it's the main thing we're searching for in our attempts to find life elsewhere in the solar system. But why exactly is water important to human biology? There are 5 main functions of water in the human body: cell life, transport, chemical reactions, temperature regulation, and waste excretion. Cell life is based on the fact that cells have water inside them. Water is used to transport nutrients to cells and within cells, intracellular. If cells don't get nutrients including vitamins, minerals, and sugars, they die. As mentioned, water is needed for transport. It's how oxygen and food make it through our bodies and how blood flows through the veins and arteries to take those nutrients to where they're needed. Blood is, after all, 92% water. In fact, 60% of your entire body is water. Chemical reactions also require water. Chemically, water is an important solvent and a major part of a lot of chemical reactions that happen inside the cells of our bodies. You can think of the human body as a gigantic chemistry lab. Chemical reactions are how our food is turned into energy, how our waste is handled, how blood is oxygenated, and thousands of other processes. Water is also useful to control your body temperature. That's because water has a high heat capacity, meaning it takes a lot of energy to change its temperature. This makes releasing warm water the perfect way to cool off. That's why you sweat. When the water evaporates, it takes its stored heat with it. It also makes it harder for the environment to cause your core body temperature to change. Last of all, water is important for the excretion of waste. Those chemical reactions that happen in the body often produce waste products and toxins that need to be removed. We remove them through urine, which is mostly water. If your urine had the consistency of honey, it's fair to say you'd spend a lot more time in the bathroom. Water is a compound made of molecules containing 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. That might not sound very impressive, but water is necessary for life on Earth. Without water, we wouldn't have evolved. In fact, humans cannot go more than a few days without it. Water is vital for human biology because it fulfills 5 vital functions: cell life, water carries nutrients to, from, and within cells; transport, the blood is mostly water, around 92%; chemical reactions, water is a solvent and needed for the body to operate; temperature regulation, sweat is mostly water because it has a high heat capacity; and waste excretion, urine is also mostly water. Because of this, water is the most important natural resource in the world.